Hey guys, it's Beth. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sharing with you what I have done towards my Use It Up 2020 challenge in the month of July. So I didn't focus a whole lot on embellishments in the month of July. I was mainly focusing on some paper packs and kits, and just because I was wanting to use those for my Christmas in July theme. So I don't have a ton of embellishments that I used up, but I do have a ton of paper that I have used up. So what all did I use up in the month of July? I used up the 6x6 Cosmo Cricut Jolly by Golly pad. And I have done a video share on this for Smash That Small Paper Pad that came out last week. I will link that below and in the cards. And I had 22 sheets left in this one. I made 5 double pocket Ghirardelli chocolate holders, 5 hot cocoa packets, 14 cards, and a gift tag with this cute little 6x6 pad. I finished off a 12x12 pad as well, and this was Hope and Faith by Craft Smart. It was a full pad of 48 sheets, and I've shared a lot of it, what I've made with this pad so far, and we'll share some more later this week and do a wrap up, so I'm not going to go into detail on this one, but I have already finished that in the month of July. So that's 2 paper pads down. And I used up 2 old Flavor of the Month kits. So this was, I used I think it was October 2017 is from when this one was, but it was Christmas themed, and the theme was Merry and Bright. And from this one, I've gone into detail. I also used the October 2018, which was Joy to the World theme. I've done a video share on what I made from this one, and I haven't done the video share yet on what I made from the October 2017, but I can show you that I have this little crate of goodies, of cards and other goodies that I have made using up those 2 kits. So 2 pads and 2 kits down, which is a pretty good month for me. So I am very excited about that. And then for Stick Your Side of Crafting, I did use up 3 partial sticker sheets that have been in my stash for a long time. They were all Christmas themed because that's what I'm working on this month. And so I made a handful of things from this one as well, which just came out in a video yesterday. Some hot cocoa packets and tags and a card. And then randomly, as part of some of my other, my pads that I've used up, I used up some vinyl stickers that I had made for myself with scraps of vinyl that I was cutting on my silhouette. So there were 2 Noel phrases that I used on the Hope and Faith pad, and then this was just some white circles, it's to be used, I use them as non-dimensional enamel dots essentially. So I used up 3 of those from my stash, and then I used up a whole I don't know what you want to call it, roll of some embroidery floss. And I use those on cards and other projects that I made with my Hope and Faith pad as well. So I did use a few embellishments kind of as a result of working through all of the paper and the kits, and there were embellishments that I used up as part of the kits as well. But it's been a really fun month, and this was a lot of paper out of my stash and 2 kits. And I'm not done yet. I actually started a new 12x12 collection from Echo Park for Christmas, and I have also started a new 6x6 Christmas themed pad. So still going, but as of today, July 28th, this is what all I have used up for this month. So there are a few others that have been playing along with me throughout the year on trying to use up their stash as well. This is kind of a free form challenge. The only I guess, guideline to it is that you post your video or your photographs on Instagram on July 28th to share the updates that you have on your progress towards the Use It Up 2020 challenge. So if you use the hashtag Use It Up 2020 on YouTube, you can find the other participants that have participated in the challenge throughout the year with me, and you can also search for that hashtag on Instagram and find participants as well. There are several that have been posting over there as they use things up. So I hope you guys have had a successful month. I hope you have enjoyed my Christmas in July shares this month as well. I know I have really enjoyed creating along that theme. So thank you guys so much for your time today, and I hope you're all having a crafty day.